Okay, students, let me give you the meanings of first para. Okay, passing away. The first was word in the first line. Passing away means death, died. Okay, in the next line, underline the word caliphate, which means caliph, khalifa. Consisted. Consisted mean contain, mushtamil hona. The names Abu Bakr, Hazrat Umar. Abu Bakr was the first caliph. Okay, I have told a little bit history about those caliphs. You can see words meaning on the screen. Caliphs, caliphs, two syllable word, okay? Caliphs. If there would be a word caliph, uska matlab hota khalifa. But there is a word caliphs, so it is plural, khulafa. And its English meaning is a religious leader of Muslims, a representative of Allah. समझने में आ रहे हैं ये मीनिंग्स स्टूडेंट्स? जोनाश समझ रही हैं आप बच्चे? पासिंग अवे मीन्स डेथ, डाइड, रहलत फरमा जाना. ओके, आफ्टर द डेथ ऑफ हजरत मोहम्मद, आफ्टर पासिंग अवे मीन्स हजरत मोहम्मद के रहलत फरमा जाने के बाद. रिलीजियस ओबीडियंस टुवर्ड्स रिलीजन. जब कोई बंदा मजहबी होता है, अपने मजहब के साथ उसका लगाव होता है, उसकी पैरवी करता है, सो दैट पर्सन वी कॉल्ड रिलीजियस पर्सन, फेथफुल. ओके, caliphs, passing away, and religious. Okay, those three meanings I have given you. Now, as you can see on your screens, the history of the four caliphs. First four called rightly guided caliphs. वो चार खुलफा कितने कितने अरसे तक उन लोगों ने हुकूमत की थी, and what were their names? अबू बकर 632 से 634 CE. Do you know the meaning of CE? Samir Khan? Do you know the meaning of CE? Mean common era, thousands of years ago. Okay, like in these days we use Hijri or Sadi, something like that. Okay, but on the CE words were used. Hazrat Umar was the second caliph, and he ruled from 634 till 644. कितने अरसे तक हुकूमत की थी उन्होंने? मूसा खान, are you listening? Usman. I have told you in my lecture that in few books or in few places you will see the word Uthman, but this is in the real sense Usman. Okay, उनका दौर हुकूमत कितना था? From 644 till 656. Okay, and the last one was Hazrat Ali, the most youngest Khalifa. He ruled over the Muslim Ummah from 656 till 661. Okay, do you have any confusion? We discuss the meanings, we discuss a paragraph reading, we discuss different caliphs and their time period. I have given you syllable concept as well. Any problem to you? But you faced a little bit technical issues during the lecture. We are really very sorry for that. But in the next lecture, you don't have such kind of issues, acha. It was our today's lecture. Inshallah, tomorrow we will continue it from the next page of the book. I hope you have noted down all the words meaning in rough registers. Okay. Stay safe. Khuda Hafiz.